Eric, everybody, on the cover of Dart Magazine, 3 weeks in a row.
Angry Eric.
Angry Eric, ladies and gentlemen. Sweetest guy you'll ever meet.
He went to Barnaby's one too many times.
4.
You've been hanging out at the bar, he plays at Duff. Dude, I gotta blow these things up, man. Hey! Eric, everybody, you did it. 7 for 7. Nice job. Thank you. Delco, baby.
That's all we get.
Banana for 7. Yeah. Stick it in the freezer.
That's it.
World champion. What's going on, everybody? We are at Motorama. I know we're going to do things a little bit different this week. I was away last week. We didn't have a Friday episode, but we're going to have one, obviously, today, Monday. So we're going to do it a little bit of reverse. We're going to do Motorama. I'm going to show you some of that behind-the-scenes stuff on Wednesday's video, and then some more stuff on Friday. We also have that black ZL1 that hit the dyno, the head cam G8 hit the dyno. So a lot of footage, a lot of content this week. So let's kick it off. Whenever everybody else. Shove a camera in his face.
Yes. Oh, hey, good morning. I just had him up too. I didn't know if you made it up or not.
I did. I rode with these guys. I was just filming.
They were grabbing some content.
There I am.
By the way, he controls his Instagram now.
I do.
So,
I do.
If you go on,
People were questioning it the other day. Some people thought it was Fran.
I know. Like, his friends still control this? No, it's 100% Eric.
Yep, it's me now.
It's boring
100%.
Now it's boring.
And look,
It's stupid stuff. Oh, look at this.
look what I have with me.
So it doesn't get sick.
My fisherman's friends.
You still sound like an asshole.
I know.
What was that?
They're cough
For
drop.
cows? Yeah.
Yeah, we parked on that.
So it's the Grom giveaway.
Oh, RPM intake over here, bro.
Yeah, he's got that 5-inch intake. Look at that, Bill.
See that?
All the power right there.
You gotta make fun of Jack real quick.
No, this team is just sad.
You can do that like Instagram, like what is that?
Is it crooked? Yes. Oh, it's crooked! Jack! Oh man, Jack.
You know it's been off.
It's been off because we always have them straight.
Well, this is the perk of having a team that knows what they're doing.
Yeah, you got like a full pit crew. They just tell me to off.
Yeah, it's like, oh yeah, whatever. But no, that fluid is nasty, man.
I know, it gets
flush
nasty
that
quick,
shit
man.
often, man.
Also, how do you liking the car?
Dude, I love it. It's awesome. I literally, just like we were talking off of the camera, is I can't wait until it warms up and we can just get down to the track and actually enjoy the damn thing.
Do some more Mexico trips.
Do some more Mexico trips, absolutely. Yeah, we got some nice stretches targeted for Mexico, different routes, if you will.
Yeah. I'll bring my ZR1 up here.
Hell yeah, that'll be awesome, dude. I need to get some Mickey Thompsons for the back of this thing because these tires are useless. They're useless.
It's terrible.
It's literally like driving on rocks. Like
It's bad.
they just spin no matter what. But I figure
They probably won't be as bad when it's like 80
a little
out,
warmer, and you
but-
drive like 100 miles to warm them up.
I mean, what's the warmest you drove them in? Probably 40 something degrees?
Yeah, 50. So I just keep trash control on because you need it.
Yeah.
And you know, it'll get a
second,
little.
even in third, it'll probably hit the traction control.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it freaks out. But at least it's like, all right, I got that protection, so
Yeah.
it's no worries.
No.
But this car's great, man. I've been enjoying the out of it. It makes me smile so big every time I drive it. People have been loving it here too. They're like, Jack, that thing sounds so sick, you know? They're just obsessed with it.
I'm gonna enter to win the Grom.
Okay. Cool. I would love to see you win that thing.
I wanna see-
Really, at the shop, bro.
People are gonna be so
That's a
mad.
great opportunity for you to post in and
Yes.
cut over his wheelies on his mini bike.
Stop, drop, shut 'em down, open up shop. Oh.
That was hers.
That's mine.
That was
Oh, is
hers
that your
from
That was my
yeah.
first dirt bike ever.
That's awesome.
And he stole it.
Well, it needs a brother.
I agree. They're almost the same color because it's yellow
Yeah,
too.
right. Yeah. It's just that one's slightly
Not
faded
highlighted.
over as it's
Giving it
aged.
away.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Every $5 your merchandise is
Yeah, every
an entry.
$5 is one automatic entry. Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta do that.
That is such a shameless plug, bro. I love it.
Do you have those
Training
hats?
you well, man. We do have those hats.
I'll
Right?
get
Yeah, I do
I like
that.
this. See?
I like the material.
That's what my father-in-law said. He
It's
picked it up.
it's that heather gray.
Yeah,
That's what they call
My
that.
was
father-in-law
called?
picked it up. He's like, "That's a nice hat." I'm like,
You know, it's got like
that's a
some
lot
old man,
coming
like
from that.
genuine, like that's nice.
I don't even need to do my plug anymore.
We got you.
It's great. Love you guys.
Because
start the call
all
out.
you're doing.
Yeah. Can I call you out?
We have a similar build.
Oh, we're, what? Camaros?
I have a V.
Oh, you have a V?
Yeah.
It's stopped.
Yeah, it's like I'm full interior, so I think you just need that tire.
Don't do it. He's fast. On what car? He's got a 416.
Okay. Yeah, you're 388.
I know guys
all
with
the
480. A lot of guys don't even. A lot of guys with 416s, they don't even run that. Like they just have it to have it. They don't even
runs
use
11s.
it to its thing.
Yeah, I went like 11-0. Yeah, someone said something about this.
101,
130.
160.
Yeah, so we're gonna race.
Battle.
But we're gonna race at the track.
Fight!
So this is roll race. I mean, we could roll race too, but I don't think you want any of that business. Because Andrew already felt the wrath of my car. for
You
40
felt it the
rolls.
last time. I didn't even have nitrous. Yeah, man. Get the hell out of here. Roll when you do the nitrous in that car. Yeah. I'll roll racing.
That'd be fun.
What's in yours? 690. Same trim. Well, there you
But
go.
I only have 100 chops, so.
That's why now he wants the tire.
This is why I need you. I need you to beat me.
Yes.
Because we have to turn my car up.
So, what do you think of Mike's call out on you in your Camaro?
Go with our new builds. I mean, I tried to race him last year at the call out, but he didn't want to race me, so. No, yeah, it'll be good. It'll be fun, for sure. We have working cars now. Everyone's got a working car. So this is going to be a good year.
We're
Right.
going to do a pro tree when we race. Yeah.
Pro
You want to do a pro tree?
I like pro- well, I think
Yeah,
that's
I like
more
pro tree
fair.
to race. Yeah.
Well, yeah,
It's
you
so
can't-
hard. You're watching it come down. You're like, ding, ding.
Yeah,
Right.
I mean, well, you can prepare for
Yeah.
it. Whereas the pro tree is
Yeah,
just
it's
like, okay, this is actually the driver's race and the car
You guys
race.
talking? Yeah, duh.
Yes. Where were you? There's like a big a light.
Grant, somebody wants us to box.
I know.
So I have 2 call outs.
So if you didn't know,
I call out on it.
we
You
know
and
each
your
other.
vet or V?
What?
Which
Race all
car?
the time.
Oh, the vet.
Okay.
What you missed is Joey called out Nick.
For the call out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you got to race.
That'll be a really good
You
race.
got to
actually.
race Andrew.
In my ZR1?
Yeah.
That'd be a good
In
one.
your vet?
Yeah, I'm in.
And then I'm racing Andrew in my V
Okay.
and his vet.
I'm calling up Circle D and getting a converter right now.
I'll just bring my race car.
Yeah, but I mean, I got turbos, man. You got instant torque.
What does that mean?
That means I'm in it to win.
all the
it.
power.
You gotta put a bigger nitro shot on.
You only
Crap.
have 2 doors. You got a race car. I got a street car.
Yeah, this is what we'll do. I'll
I
run.
got 3 kids, man.
I'll run your vet. I'll run your
show
vet
cars
on nitrous, and then I'll run your V boost only in my ZR1.
I mean, you'll beat it. Like
I went
but that-
970. Boost only.
I mean, at the track, it might not be
That's
bad.
what I mean.
'cause it's-
Yeah,
no,
like, I mean, I'm not talking about ET.
yeah.
No, yeah, roll away, off. No, but at the track, like saying like wind light, you know what I mean? That might be hard for a stick car to get there first.
What roll race?
like a heads up race.
His V,
Exactly.
His V versus KP and your vet.
That's fine.
Because I'm no nitrous.
Yeah, no.
So I'm not allowed to have nitrous yet.
Let him give you the nitrous.
She went 1030 and 143 on boost. She's getting there. On 20.
Yeah,
Yeah, on 20.
1050 at what?
1030 at 143.
Wow, that's a real high mile per hour.
Yeah, the car's been 151 on boost.
I think I missed a gear too.
Nah,
was
you
just-
pedaled it, I think, the
yeah,
one time.
You can hear it.
But yeah, that was on 20s.
I don't know how I'm gonna get all my cars to the track.
You need a stacker.
Buy a stacker.
I gotta buy a truck then.
How's it going so far? How's the truck?
It's going really well. The truck's doing great. We got her back there, rack installed, new lift is on and all, and everyone who comes up to it says it's much bigger in person than it is in videos. But yeah, I mean, really enjoying the show. Yesterday was huge, like tons of people. I think the snow is probably keeping a lot of people away today, unfortunately, but still having a good time.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
How are you guys doing?
Good. Good. So you obviously haven't driven the Z06 yet.
Not yet. You guys were kind enough to trailer it up for me, but I haven't driven it.
So you'll have to let us know how it is.
Yep.
Careful.
But it's probably the worst time to try out the new 920 wheel horsepower car.
That's true.
But you know.
I hope you enjoyed that little Monday episode. It was kind of a replacement of Friday, but we are going to go back and do more with Mike's car on Wednesday. And like I mentioned before, we're going to do the ZL1, the Heads Cam G8, plus we have a lot of other stuff going on. A lot more cars in the shop. Also, sneak peek, I know we don't work on LS1s and LS6s, but that is the Mike's giveaway car, and we are going to be doing the Pro Charger to that as well. Everybody that ordered sweatshirts and t-shirts, those all are out to you. We did get a whole new shipment of sweatshirts in, so we have everything in stock. So they're all on the website, raceprovenmotorsports.net. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time.
I taught KP my trick today. Yeah, you loop, swoop, pull.
Oh, he tried to get traction there. You hear that?
You gotta-